what we want to do, to see around. The God blessing place. Yeah, the nature.
That sounds good. Yeah, this is beautiful nature. Yeah.
See what God created, the beautiful things.
Yeah.
The Gambia. Yes, the Gambia. Just one of two countries that uses the in its name.
Welcome to the Gambia. Live out, live high.
We got the tunes on, man.
This small sliver of a country was carved out by French and British colonizers. What about the people? Well, they're still all the same.
Yeah. All good.
But there is a feeling of English influence here, rather than French, and a very chilled vibe exercised by our guide. We're here with local legend Rasta, also known as Babs or Babacar. He's showing us his The Gambia. I asked him to take us to a place where I'd like to put Galopin for the rainy season. Raining's coming and the guys are preparing for it. This place is a famous local attraction, and you can't get more authentic than this. This shack is not AI bullshit, baby. And Babs, he gets to park in a VIP section.
Me and my friend, Rasta.
Rasta man, yeah.
I know.
Welcome to Lamel Lodge. Rasta is the best guide.
He is the best guy,
And then he's the best driver also. Yeah, Joytown here.
Yeah.
It's a salt water. But here, from here, it's not a salt water.
That's where you have the hippopotamus?
Yeah, the crocodile live in this area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not here.
Yeah. And then right now you guys are here, Lamel.
Yeah.
If you want to go to the Daranga, you go.
You can sail up the river to be with crocs and hippos, and it's definitely something I'd like to try, but it'll take like 5 or 6 days to get up there. Many of my sailing friends have told me about this place. Some have been here. And now that I'm here, I'm convinced this is the place to ride out the rainy season. Good idea? Or am I just high?
Check this place out. There's the Galopin Lodge, famous place. I'm going, yes, thank you. That's where I want to come and bring my boat, man.
So here is where I can anchor with Galopin. This will define how our time will continue here in the Gambia. Or am I just high? Just in case I'm not, Babs doesn't hesitate to light up.
Nice place, man. Thank you. Plus, Pops here brings the tunes, so it's guaranteed good times with Pops.
What we want to do, to see around.
Seems here it's all right to do the Rasta thing, anytime, anywhere. I suppose as long as we are with Rasta, we do what Rasta does. He's revered here. When in the Gambia, do as the Gambians do.
Galopin Lodge. This place is pretty awesome. So I came here to scout the place, to bring Galopin, come here with Galopin. Definitely a good place to come. So, hopefully in a few weeks we'll be here, man. Inshallah. Si Deus quiser. God willing.
That was a good scouting excursion. Even better high. Galopin and I are definitely coming back soon. But I had to get back to Galopin, so we went to buy our bus tickets. Notice the car preference here? Ben's country. There was no more spots on a bus, damn it. We'll have to go back tomorrow to buy them. Meanwhile, we needed a place for the night, and this is where we got it.
Well, this was a find. The place is called Le Bateau. Really nice little beachfront cabanas. I got this great little room. It's really inexpensive. It's about 30 bucks a night. Had a great meal. Fresh fish right here in one of those little verandas. Football games on the television, the World Cup. And then there's real players right there on the beach, man. Check this out.
Now that's the people's game, no?
We haven't left the Gambia yet. We were supposed to leave this morning. Didn't work out. We were out too late last night, clubbing. Didn't get home till 6 o'clock in the morning. Didn't get to the bus. There's no bus available. I have to go tomorrow. And I think I was gonna go with Babacar.
Yep, we were stuck for another night, and Babs couldn't be happier. He brought a bottle of Jack to celebrate.
You're gonna give me some gram for my friend, you know, I'm gonna smoke some weed.
My personal favorite with a Coca-Cola chaser and, of course, Durbage.
And then Babs Babacar, Rasta man, he invited me to stay at his place because I already bought a bus ticket to go tomorrow.
You're gonna see two ladies tonight, German, bam, 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 blah, 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 blah.
I'm gonna hang out with Rasta man, yeah, man.
Good ganja weed, in Africa everything is real.
And off we go, tripping through the Gambia. Babs took us all over. Stopped to see friends here, there, and everywhere. And of course, the police checks. They're everywhere. Police and military stop cars all the time. Once they see who's driving, they just say, Rasta. Look around the car's passengers, then talk to Babs. Once at night, I thought we were going to get hauled off. But Babs negotiated with the bill and we drove off. Another time, I didn't have my seatbelt fastened all the way. I got Babs in trouble. They brought him inside and talked his way out. Just like that. I have a lot to learn from Rasta Babs. Finally, we got to his house where he lives with his wife Marie.
So, I guess I'll be staying here for a night until tomorrow. Get the bus. I'm over at Babacar's place. And this place is amazing. Wow.
We're in the best of moods thanks to Babs and Jack.
I was just saying to my friend Us, the way I like to travel is to get to a place and stay for a while. I've only been here 3 days. I'm already welcomed here in the Gambia, and I'm going to come back here. And I want to stay here like a couple months. And then that's how you really know the culture, how you really get into it. You have to be with the people, live with them, understand what their likes are and their problems are. And for the most part, it's really great.
Getting to the bus was stressing me out, man. And in the Gambia, you can't stress. I need to chill out more.
Welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.